In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to install Beuta's steel edging. Starting at one end of your project, place your edging on the ground with the rolled edge on top, and with the clips on the starting edge and the middle of your 4-foot section. When your piece of edging is where you want it, push the pin through the holes in the back of the clip and into the ground. If you are happy with the placement, go ahead and hammer the pin all the way. For your next piece, you can do the same thing, making sure that your next piece lines up with the first one closely. The first clip on this next piece will be half on the first piece of edging and half on the second piece of edging. This process will be repeated for each piece of edging. If you have areas where the edging needs to curve, you can bend the steel yourself. You can either use the ground for leverage and bend it like this, or lay it on the ground and use your foot or knee for leverage. Either way, make sure to go slow and be cautious so you don't overbend it. You can always go back and bend it more. We recommend the guess and check method. Bend the piece a little, position it where it will end up, and repeat the process until the piece matches the curve you need. If your project has a turn that is too sharp for bending, you can use our available 90-degree turn clips. That's it. Just keep repeating this process until your edging project is complete. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or reach out to our customer service. We're happy to help.